Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are at Murrieta Hot Springs Resort in Murrieta, California. This place is beautiful. It's newly renovated. There's tons of places to relax and unwind and do some amazing things for your health. So I wanted to take you through a room tour and a resort tour, give you my pros and cons and an overall review of if I would come back here. So the first thing that I want to talk about are the rooms here, the pros and the cons. Originally, we were in the regular king room and we had a beautiful view of the exclusive to the hotel guests pools right in front of us, but the room was a little bit small, kind of dark. This room is also a little bit dark, but not as dark. We have a lot more light coming in here. The room we ended up staying in is in the Spring Suites building, and this is the King Suite. So there's tons more room in here. We have a full living room area, then we have an area where the bed is in, we have a beautiful bathroom, and the best part is an insane balcony with views of pretty much the whole entire property. I'll start off with the main cons of this room. The first thing was the pillows are horrible. They felt like an overflated balloon. When you put your head down, the air kind of like sinks out a little bit, but it also gets pushed to the part where your head is not on the pillow. So we actually ended up going to Costco a few blocks away and getting some pillows at Costco because I just could not sleep. But that could just be a me thing. The bed is comfortable, the sheets on the bed are comfortable, everything else about the sleep was great, just minus the pillows. I noticed that there is no full-length mirror anywhere in this room or anywhere in the regular room. There's an amazing sized mini fridge in the room. You can fit so much stuff in there. We brought tons of fruit and we had room to put leftovers from dinner in there. They give you these super cute robes that are like towel material that you can walk around the property with. We use that instead of the pool towels because it was just easier to throw the robe on and off. And then the other thing that I'll say is this couch is super uncomfortable to sit on. I don't know if it converts into a bed. I think that it does, but it's just, the cushions are very stiff and it's such a low back that you can't comfortably sit on it. So we didn't really spend too much time sitting in the living room area. The chairs out on the balcony were a lot better. Moving on to the rest of the property, the actual hot springs. How are they? I think that it was a super fun experience, and the cool thing is that there are actually people from the hotel constantly walking around and checking the temperature of all the pools and making sure that they are the temperature that is listed on the signs. And we have seen multiple times them completely draining the pools and cleaning them and then refilling them up, which is nice because then you really feel like everything is very clean here, well maintained. So this is the map of the property. It is definitely not to scale. We thought that we were driving a lot further than it actually was. It was a way shorter drive than in this map. But here are all of the pools that are kind of exclusive to hotel guests. And then everything over here is open to people that have a day pass. So one of my favorite things was actually in the bathhouse, and it was the two different walks. There was a cold and a hot. And basically what you do is you walk through the path of the hot water and then you walk around and go through the path of the cold water, and the sensation that it has on your legs and feet is like super weird. We also did the hot to the cold plunge, and that was an experience that I have never done before. I don't actually know what the temperature was in the cold plunge in the bathhouse, but the cold plunge that's outside, because there is a separate one, is I think 40 something degrees. I have a clip of it and I'll insert it, but it was very cold. One of the coolest things about this property is if you're staying here as a hotel guest, you have access to all of the pools except for the ones in the bathhouse all night, 24-hour access, which is so cool because there was one night that we were here where we just were like, okay, let's go out to the pools at 1 o'clock in the morning. No one else was out anywhere and we just got to kind of enjoy everything just to ourselves, and it was a really fun and unique experience. And there were tons of hotel staff that were out, like cleaning the pools, checking the pools. Like there are still people out and working at all these odd hours of the night. I will say, as far as food on property, there were not so many options. The two places that they did have had very limited menus. Other than that, it looks like this remodel of the hotel is not 100% complete yet. There are a few things that are not open yet, like the mud room, and I think the few of the buildings are still under construction. So I think that there is still going to be a lot more that this property is going to be offering soon. We just didn't get to experience that right now because I think it's almost a soft launch reopening at the moment. So I think that that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.